Hey fashionistas, welcome back to Silent Fashion YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to make this beautiful agbada kaftan. Okay, so if you're interested, watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so guys, the first thing I went ahead to do is to fold my fabric into 4, as you can see. Okay, so now next we're going to go ahead and indicate half of the shoulder measurements on that point. Then I'll come in by 3 inches for the neck width and then 1 inch for the neck depth. Okay, and then you can go ahead and just draw out your neckline curve. Next, I'll go ahead and indicate the length of the sleeve, and it is about 22 inches that I'm using there. Okay, because the longer the sleeve, the more drapey effect you're going to get of the agbada. Okay, so I'll go ahead and indicate it there. After then, I came down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and I'll go ahead and connect it back into the point of the neckline. So now I'm going to come down by about 10 inches for the sleeve opening, and I'll add extra half inch for seam allowance. Then I came in on that point again by 1 inch for a little sleeve definition. Okay, so after that, now we're going to go ahead and begin to cut. Just cut out that point of the sleeve definition, the neckline, the shoulder slope, and that is it for the cutting of this kaftan. It is not difficult at all. So I went ahead to separate the 2 pieces, and I'm using one for the front neckline. So I'll go ahead now and indicate 8 inches on that part for the front V neckline, and I'll go ahead and use my ruler to just mark it right there. The fabric is too stretchy, I'm being careful on how I'm marking. I'll go ahead now and cut out the front V neckline, as you can see. So after cutting it out, this is what you are going to be having for the front. You can see that it is V. Okay, so for the black design in front, I just grabbed these doll face pieces of fabric and I folded it into 2, and then I'll place the front neckline on the front pieces on top. Okay, the folded parts are going to be on top of each other. Now I'll go ahead and trim out that shape and follow the shape of the V, and also trim it out on the black piece of the fabric. Okay, I'll come again to the lower part and also just cut out that excess right there. So after that, now I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now the wrong side of the fabric is facing up. Okay, I'll also open the black fabric and place it on the pink fabric. The wrong side of the black fabric is also facing up. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pin them down together right now all around, and we'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down very closely. So now on the back, I'll also use bias to pipe the neckline of the back. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pin down the bias all around the back neckline. I'll trim it off and we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew them both. So after sewing the bias on the back, this is what it is looking like. Okay, and then on the front as well, I've gone ahead to sew it. This is what it is looking like. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a notch all around. So after notching it, I'll flip it over, as you can see now. So now the fine side will now be facing up, as you can see. Okay, I'll go ahead and arrange it well. We'll go ahead and iron it down, and then with my iron and then hemming gum, I'll go ahead and just gum it down before we proceed to stitch that black design in front of the fabric. Okay, so guys, after going ahead to sew it, this is what it is looking like. I trimmed it off and then I went ahead to sew it. Now we're going to join the back and the front pieces together. As you can see, I'll pin it down on the shoulder point and the neckline on both sides. Okay, then we'll take it over to the sewing machine now, and we're going to join the shoulders, join the side, sew the seam on the side. Okay, and then I'll hem the sleeve and also hem the lower part, and that is just it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.